Alrighty guys, before we start the video, I just want to give a tribute to 3 people in the Jetblue family that have lost their lives this past week due to the coronavirus. So if we can just take a few moments before we start the video to just kind of pay respect to them and their family. First is Ralph, Inflight. He was a prior firefighter. He was part of the team that responded to 9/11. We have First Officer Kevin. He's a retired Air Force pilot as well. And then lastly, today the news came out that Jared Lovos has passed away as well. He is 28 years old, which is crazy because I'm only 27 years old. Just from reading the post about these people, they're all, super happy-go-lucky, fun people, healthy. So it goes to show that the coronavirus doesn't care about age, race, gender. It can get you. So thank you all for taking this serious. The ones that are staying home, doing their part. Appreciate that. And I just really wanted to pay some respect to these people that have lost their lives. Alrighty, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. Shanley is on a 4-day trip and I decided to tag along for 1 day, and I was gonna see if any of your crew members wanted to let me work some of their legs to try and make some extra money. And it was just a good way for Shanley and I to get out of the house. So we've been trapped. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris. I'm a flight attendant. I document the life of a flight attendant and Army National Guard soldier. Currently, we moved all the way up to Boston, long story short, and we're living with my parents. We've been there for almost 2 years, and everybody's working at home right now with the coronavirus, so it's just nice to get out and kind of spend some time together. So we're in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and it's a prison here, but it's a good thing. They have this place on lockdown. Like, you literally get to the airport once you land, and before you leave the airport, they screen you, they check your temperature, they ask you a series of questions, and they have lockdown at 7 p.m. We just went to go pick up our pizza that we ordered. It's like the only pizza spot open here, or food spot per se. And we grabbed that food, and we got a warning on our phone. I can't read it, but it was in Spanish. No hablo español. And yeah, this is what date night has come to. Pizza and hanging out in the hotel room.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just...
Alrighty, what's up guys? We are about to head from San Juan back to Boston. Really quickly, I just want to talk to you guys about stocks. I'm not a financial expert at all, but I have been monitoring stocks for the past 3 months, and they're down 50 to 70%. So I'm looking to do some type of investment here soon on some stocks. I'm using the app called Robinhood. If you guys wanted to, the link is down below in the description for you guys to sign up. If you guys sign up, you get a free stock. So there's really no catch to it. Might as well just get going and start up. But there is one stock that I am looking at. It's called Quibi. You can't buy it on Robinhood, but I think you have to go through a broker. But it's like a streaming platform like Netflix and YouTube. So if you guys are interested in stocks, or you do invest in stocks, I highly recommend going to check out Quibi. It could be one of those stocks that you wish you invested in years ago. Really quickly, Paulette is over here. She's a commuter from San Juan. So she's going to work in Boston right now. I just wanted to introduce you to her, have her say hello, and here in San Juan it is like on lockdown, so she'll just tell you about her experience here and what she loves about the job, I guess.
Hi people, I'm Paulette. So yeah, Puerto Rico, it's in super lockdown. I'm Boston based, so I feel that here the government has been like super like on it with us. We have that whole curfew, and then based on your car's license plate, then that's when you are able to go to either the grocery or the pharmacy. The parks are closed, like there's nothing to, like there's no parks to walk or do exercise. I'm excited to go to work and help those who need to get to where they need to go. But I'm not excited to go back to the cold because it's cold in Boston. But yeah, just keeping it positive and have fun while we can.
Alright, so that's your perspective from someone that's commuting from San Juan. I do agree with her. I think they're doing a really good job down here with cracking down. Like I said, when I got to the airport, they like checked everybody's temperatures, went over like a form, signs, symptoms, made sure you're good to go, and then they have curfew here. So San Juan, Puerto Rico is doing a good job, but we're gonna be boarding here, so I'll see you guys in Boston. Alrighty guys, made it home from Puerto Rico. So tomorrow I was supposed to be on a 3-day trip. The whole trip got canceled, and usually what they do is they put you on reserve. So it's like line holders reserve, and it's called like, it's coded RSL. So starting tomorrow, I am on reserve. But really quickly, I want to show you guys some stuff I got in the mail. So I got the CBD infused cream. It's by 3 Active. It's infused with CBD cream, and it's got a spearmint scent to it. So I'm gonna test that stuff out and let you guys know how it is. I have like a muscle twitch in my hand. I'll put the video up right there. And I just want to see if it helps out with that. And I told you guys in a few videos ago that I was gonna get a drone. So it came in today. So we get the Maverick Mini. So I'm hoping to get that set up and test out for my next trip, which I don't know when that is. But what I'm gonna do right now is meal prep and kind of show you guys what I pack. All right, so for turkey burger, I use the 93.7. I don't like the 99.1. It tastes like cardboard. And then what I use for seasoning, I use garlic salt. And then I'll throw some curry powder in there as well. Just ran out. And then typically when I make rice, I like to do white rice. Reason being so is because white rice is more digestible by the body, and the body takes in more of the nutrients, whereas like brown rice, the body doesn't fully digest it and take in the nutrients. But we're out of white rice, so we could use brown rice. And if you guys have one of these Instapots, these are pretty sweet. Literally just throw the cover on, close it up, hit the rice button, and then we're gonna do 15 minutes on high pressure. And for brown rice, I have to do 15 minutes in the 8 minutes, just let it fully cook through. Day 1 of reserve is gonna be complete in 10 minutes. I don't wanna jinx myself, but I did a 3-mile run. That's gonna be part 1 of my workout. I just downloaded the Beachbody app, and I'm gonna start doing the P90X. Since I have a little gym here, my stepdad has like a nice little setup down here in the basement. So we got treadmill right there, a little Smith machine where you can do a bunch of stuff on, elliptical, bunch of weights, easy bar for curl, yoga mat, a barbell. I have a bunch of bands that I'm gonna start breaking out, doing some band workouts. And when I came back from deployment, I bought them a inversion table because I was gonna live here for 3 months after I came back from deployment, and I was gonna use it for my back. So we got the inversion table right here. This is all my stuff. So I am kind of packing up and getting ready to move out of here. So we've been here, June will be 2 years. So we've been really lucky enough to have my parents allow us to stay here rent-free, save up some money. But it's definitely time for us to get out and explore the world, you know. But tonight I'm gonna do P90X. I wanna show you guys how I pack for reserve, since I'm on a 3-day reserve block and day 1 is up. It's gonna be 2 days left on reserve. So I'll take 1 set of clothes out each day that I'm not called for reserve. I have all my stuff packed, ready to go. I got gym shoes right here, my hygiene kit. I have my Navage right there, and then down here is the Beckford bar, the workout bar. I don't know if you saw my previous videos where I've been using this pretty cool bar that kind of like allows you to activate and engage more muscles within your core, shoulders, and chest. So if you guys want to check that out, it's not sponsored by any means. The link is down there below. But yeah, basically I just, as each day progresses, I remove a set of clothes, and then for my food that's packed up downstairs, I'll eat a set of food, and then so on and so forth. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you guys want me to go over like what types of clothes I pack, and how I pack everything in here, and how to get everything in my suitcase, I'll create a whole separate video for you guys on that. But with that being said, I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on work. So they've been asking people to take this thing called COVID-19 leave, which is like a 5-month leave, 3-month leave, or a 1-month leave. It's a way to help out the company, and they're gonna pay you part of your salary, and it's gonna allow you to still apply for unemployment benefits as well, because the amount of money they're going to give you isn't going to be enough to sustain your daily life and living activities. You get to keep your health benefits, you get to keep your flight benefits, which is huge. So I applied for this, so did Shanley. So we're going to figure that out within the next week or two, if we got that leave or not. And then we're still planning on moving out by June. We were supposed to move out by April 1st, May preferably, but I feel like that's kind of a stretch with everything going on. That's what's going on right now. Just waiting to hear back about work and the COVID-19 leave. Just staying positive, staying busy, working on the Shopify for Archer Elite, working on getting that up and running, and super excited to share this with you guys. But yeah, that's gonna end the video. If you guys have made it this far, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed for future content. I'm trying to put out videos every Monday and Friday. It's basically lifestyle videos, flight attendant videos, Army National Guard soldier videos, even though I haven't had drill since January, which is insane. But I'll see you guys on the next video.